Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to exit the big picture mode on Steam. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the application and I have enabled the big picture mode. Now all I want to do is exit it. It is quite easy. I'm gonna provide you guys a shortcut to do that. If you are on a PC, simply click on the Alt and Enter button. Do it and you will have exited the full screen. I'm gonna do it right now. As soon as you click on the Alt Enter button, Steam will temporarily close down and open up in this mode. That is it guys. That's how we exit the full screen mode. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.